How to fix freezing problem on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram app on your device. After you open Telegram app on your device, simply go back and remove the tab of Telegram. After you do that, hold on to the power button and restart your device. After your device is restarted, try using Telegram. If it still does not work, scroll down your notification bar from the top. And if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. After you do that, another thing which you can do is turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. And turn it off and turn on Wi-Fi and see if it works. If it still does not work, what you can do is scroll this up again and search for a Telegram icon on your home screen and hold on to Telegram icon and click on app info at the top. After you click on app info at the top, click on storage and cache, which is the third option in here. Then click on clear cache and clear storage. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix freezing problem on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.